super dark. It is about 1:45 in the morning and we are heading to the airport. Hopefully it will not be too crowded and we can get in fairly quickly. So yeah, heading on to the airport, but it's Disney Day. We're so excited. Well, some are white with black stripes and others are black with white stripes.
But these horns are actually nowhere near as heavy as they may look. They have a much more honeycomb and sponge-like structure. It's going to allow their blood to be pumped to the horn, get cooled up. He is 10 months old. He was born in this reserve. We adore him. Starting around 10 feet tall. Now the lions usually spend around 16, even up to 20 hours of the day sleeping or resting, as again they are nocturnal hunters. They do hunt at night. And the female is a lioness, and they do most of the hunting. Now the male will join on occasion around males nearby.
I cannot believe I'm saying this, but we are checking into our 1-bedroom villa at the Boardwalk. So let's go ahead and do a room tour. We've done Animal Kingdom and now it's time to sit and relax. So when you first walk in, there is a mirror here and then you have this nice little light up here. And there is a closet with sliding doors. In the closet area, you do have plenty of storage space. There's some hangers there and plenty of room for luggage. And then if you go, there's all this cute artwork from the Boardwalk. You have your temperature control if you want to mess with that. And then this is what the living room area looks like. You have a little kitchen area that has hand soap. There is a sink, oven, microwave. You have a small fridge, but still plenty of room. This is a DVC villa, so it's made for like long-term stays. There's a dishwasher, a full-on Keurig machine, paper towels. You have your typical coffee, the K-cups, as well as like the little bag of the resort blend for Joffrey's. There's a toaster. You have this storage with actual plates on it, which is absolutely crazy. So if you want to like buy groceries, there's plenty of room for you to put your groceries and cook as well. There's glasses, except for that one is dirty. There are glasses and mugs, wine glasses. Let's see, more like cooking ware. You do have your typical ice bucket here. Plenty of counter space. There is actual hand dish soap, which is crazy. There is a little dinette area here, which I love those chairs, plus Boardwalk artwork featuring Goofy and Mickey and Minnie. And then when you come into the living room area, you have your resort TV, and then you have even more storage. There are 3 drawers. They're not super wide, but they are actually fairly deep. There are some shelves there, and you have outlets as well, and they have normal plugs, USB-C and USB plugs. Your information about Disney Vacation Club. Then for this area, you have a coffee table. It has this 100 years of stories on it, and this actually lifts, so that's some storage. You have a sofa. This will actually pull down for a full-size bed. There's a little artwork featuring Daisy and Donald. Got a vase, your resort phone, and then Hey Disney. More lights and outlets over here. Then there is a balcony here. We are close to the pool. So we have one balcony, and yeah, there's also a second balcony there. And there is some of your patio furniture, 2 chairs and a stool. Then when you come this way, again, because this is DVC, you do have a washer and a dryer. It's small, but it will get the job done. This is like the main bedroom. It is very spacious. It does have I think that's a king size bed, and then there are 2 nightstands on either side, so everybody gets a nightstand. I love this art so much. You have Goofy, Donald, and Daisy. Each nightstand has a decent sized drawer here, as well as individual lights and more plugs with USB-Cs. Resort phone is over here. One thing I like about Deluxe Resorts is they have this fun little reading light. You have your pillows, a dresser with 6 drawers, so plenty of space for us. And these are decent sized drawers, plenty of counter space, your remote, 2 regular outlets, and then again a USB-C and a USB port, another TV, a little chair with a side table. Look at this lamp. It is so cute. Adorable artwork of Mickey and Minnie. And then you do have your second drawer with the outlets, and guess what? Your second balcony. So your second balcony will come out here. You can see the fire pit, there's chairs, and again another set of chairs. So we each get our own balcony here. And then you have your sheer curtain and a blackout curtain. Then, oh yeah, also, there is a mirror here with a little footstool with more storage and plenty of storage for underneath the bed, which is absolutely crazy. And you have not 1, but 2 bathrooms. So this is the first one that's like attached to the main bathroom. So this door will just lead to the second bathroom. You have a full walk-in closet, your safe, ironing board, plenty of coat hangers, extra pillow, blanket, a laundry basket, and a steam iron, plus the little luggage rack. And then for the vanity, there is only 1 sink here, but again, you have 2 bathrooms, plenty of drawer space. These are really deep drawers. You have your tissues, your mirror, liquid hand soap. You have a bar soap and liquid body lotion. You do have a makeup mirror. And then here is your bathtub. So it is like a full soaking bathtub, towels, adorable art for the boardwalk. And then you do have your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, plus your trash bin. If you open, oh, and hooks. If you open up this one, this will take you to your second bathroom. And for this, you have a little bit smaller mirror, but mirror lights, a single sink, Again, you do have liquid body lotion and hand soap, and you do have some storage down there. Toilet paper, more art, and then this is where your shower is, and this does have a shelf for storage, shampoo, conditioner, body wash is taken care of, and it does have one of those like removable shower heads. So this is the 1-bedroom villa for the Boardwalk. Just got our room. I'm about to go pick up our luggage now. I'm so wonderfully impressed. So I'm gonna go get Jordan, and then we will probably just hang out for the evening. We are gonna get our resort mugs, and we will need to get dinner. So just look how cute these lights are. Oh.